I'm Michelle Connor from Blue Sea Real Estate, and I'm at this very beautiful, impressive property. It's literally a stone's throw from Vélez-Málaga, but in the middle of the countryside. Has a whole plantation, solar panels and a lot more. So this is open planned. I mean, the furniture is absolutely amazing, but it sets this room off perfectly. Open plan, a log fire, air conditioning, hot and cold. But as you can see, this is spacious. I don't think this video actually really shows the size of this room. The kitchen is absolutely beautiful. Sort of thing I'd like in my house. You know, best I'll tell my husband. Oven, dishwasher. Look at this, look, a nice 5-star range with gas. In here we have, I mean, look at these doors. These are proper wooden doors. They are beautiful, and they actually set this room off. So this is used currently as the laundry room, but could be turned into a bedroom if that's what you wanted. And there is a toilet there, so you could easily separate that, make that as an ensuite bedroom. And then if we come this way, you can see another one of those beautiful doors. So this is the master bedroom with a super king size bed. Again, I don't think this video is actually showing the full size of this room. It is very spacious. Fitted wardrobes, air conditioning, hot and cold, and then you come into this beautiful ensuite. Look at this. So the toilet is hidden around here, so you've got privacy, and then the walk-in shower is here. Lovely, with the double sinks. Now outside, I'm going to walk outside and show you. So there's a door here, and there's the door here. We'll go out this door, back out where we came from. I will show you the extra delights of this house. So this here at the moment has not been finished inside, so I'm not going to show you inside because that would possibly put you off, but it's actually quite nice inside already. But the current owner is going to put an outside kitchen in there. Look at this jacuzzi with views over the whole of this land, which all belongs to this house. And then round here, as you can see at the end there, is a casita, 1-bedroom casita. So they have mangoes, avocados, lemons and more. So this is the main house, driveway. Can you hear the birds singing? It's beautiful. So peaceful, and yet you're so close to Vélez-Málaga and the coast. Here you go, look at that, those new trees. This is a casita, it's been fully renovated. A small kitchen, open fireplace. Love the decoration, he's done a fantastic job in here, I have to say. This is the master bedroom. And the master bedroom has fitted wardrobes, and then just around here is the ensuite bathroom with a lovely walk-in shower, toilet and sink. Air conditioning, hot and cold. So if you would like to know more information about this property and the income from the plantation, please send us an email or give us a ring. Don't forget, Blue Sea Real Estate.